Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. In this video we are going to do how to find edges of any image. So in Python, so for that here I am going to use PyCharm IDE with Pillow library. So after opening the PyCharm IDE, so go to the files into the settings. So in the interpreter we have a list of packages. So in that we don't have here Pillow library. Now add that package by clicking plus button. Now type here Pillow. So it is one of the best packages for image processing. Now install this package. Wait a minute. So after installing this package, it will display in the list of packages. Now see here, it was installed successfully. Now come to the project folder. So this is our target image for finding the edges. Now in that folder, take the new Python file name as edge or any name. Okay. Now first of all, import Pillow library. So from pill, here pill means pillow. Okay. So in that first of all import one method, that name is image. Next, from pill, in that we have image filter is there. So in that we are going to import find edges filter. Now these are the imports. Next onwards, what it means, we need to read this image. Read this image and store in one object in our program. So for that I am going to create one object name as img. So in that object I am going to save that data, that is called Spiderman JPEG. So by reading that, how can it means we have a method is there, that is open method in image. So this is image here. So in that we have open method is there. What was going on here? We are opening the Spiderman JPEG. Now here in the inverted commas, wait a minute, first work. So in the inverted quotes, find the file name that is called spider or any file, any your image name. So that reading image was stored in img file. So upon that img object we are going to apply the find images filter. So let's see here. So after that we are going to store in another object. So let's take as org. So this is the new object. In that I am going to store that after applying the filter upon the img. So in img, so this is the img. Upon that I am going to apply the filter. So what filter I am going to apply here? Find edges. So this filter was going to apply upon img objects which having the our original file. Then afterwards it was stored in org object. Now I am going to save this org file dot save as one file format and with name as new.jpg. Now run the code. Now it becomes here. So this is the new file we got. Now see, observe here, this is the version image. Now this is the new image we got. So these are the edges in the given image. And this is soft processing for getting the edges of any image by using Python with Pillow library. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.